Muffins, boys. There are three of those.
Yeah. Three of what?
There's 1, 2, 3 Brachiosaurus.
Could you show me some more? What's in the bucket? Show me what's in the bucket.
And the Velociraptor.
Where's the Velociraptor? Oh, there he is. What's next?
Brachiosaurus.
What's in the other bucket?
A Spinosaurus.
A Spinosaurus. Well,
That's like Ruby.
that's cool looking. And what else?
Spinosaurus, that's like Ruby.
That's right. What's on the bucket?
He's a Tyrannosaurus.
Can I see it closer to the camera? Oh, what does the T-Rex say? It's upside down.
Tyrannosaurus goes.
That sounds scary.
There's one Stegosaurus.
A Stegosaurus.
And a Brachiosaurus. No. And the Triceratops. Or use his horns to take the Velociraptor. Go.